Chat morning, all the participants, all the leaders. So I'm Chetan Chawda, National Trainer of My Recharge Company. I welcome you all on behalf of My Recharge. And I can see so many people, shining faces, smiling faces, all the excited people from Meghalaya. So I welcome all the leaders and all the participants over here. And my dear friends, today is a very special day because in this meeting, our respected MD sir is with us. So on behalf of the entire team, I would like to welcome our MD sir. So let's have, put your hands together for welcome of our MD sir, all the participants. Very good. Dear friends, this meeting first time we are going to conduct into your local language. So this is a great initiative, and today you will be surprised that you are going to get the great information about our new plan and new strategy. As we all know, with the new plan and this new strategy, we all are very, very happy, and so many leaders are achieving very, very good income with this new plan. But still there may be some few questions that need to be clear. That's why we are organizing this meeting. And finally, my dear friends, our MD sir with us. So I would like to request sir to start the meeting with some blessings.
My recharge Arvita morning, Chetan ji. My recharge Arvita morning, all leaders. Today, Dhananjay ji also joined us from Tripura, Agartala, team mentor and team leader. So today, myself and Chetan ji and Dhananjay ji will learn some Khasi language from you all people. And before we start this meeting, I congratulate to Mr. Albert for conducting a couple of days before a great meeting for all over India distributors. A lot of people asked me, who is that person? I told them, he is future's crown ambassador. So we are expecting a great business and a great leadership from Meghalaya. And today I will not take much time to start this meeting. I will hand over a meeting to Chetanji, and Chetanji and whole Meghalaya team will conduct the meeting in Khasi language, and whenever required, we will talk also in English also. So Chetanji, I am requesting you start the meeting.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. And my dear friends, so as we have already discussed that this meeting we are going to conduct in your local language, that is Khasi language. And I would like to inform MD sir that I tried today to learn something in Khasi. It is much interesting and totally different than the language which we are speaking. So especially MD sir and me, we both are fond of learning new languages. So we are very, very excited to come there and learn the language. So finally we are moving towards the great leader, Mr. Greamson Wahlang. So I would like to request unmute Greamson sir. Greamson sir, I'm sending you one link. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir. Continue.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah,
okay,
sir. I can hear you, sir.
So
I can hear you.
Okay. So first of all, I want to give a big thank for our MD, sir, and our Chetan, sir. So thank you so much for this program. The mentang ako aban ya-share lang ifiki parlok baro kibaydon hakani ka program. The ngangit baro kibaydon hakani ka program kide ki leader ngangit ki parlok mat Shibun jingmentor hakani ka My Recharge. The shuabangan ya sakmat so ban ai Khublei i free bla asdang ya kan program bat boti ba albat ibadi wenak leader changi ibal apau ba hanot is bat ha ri India bro kawai dengan so sarong wan ong bangidon leader kum iba albat bakum juru ya iba jihon beri wenak leader changi younger leader changi belum aktif ha bat kum juru idon iba Gabriel ibadi wenak leader changi uba latrei bha bat la kamai baru lemba kan kamai Recharge dengan so ban ai Khublei ki bat kum juru yangi we pi wi kan ngakwa ba mangiru iwei lada ngikwa ba ya kamay lang kung ba kamay ba Albert ikong Ivan ba Jihon ba Gabriel ba kiwei kita ngakwa ba nginia but ya ka lenti ke jonki ba ngangit ya ke ba kila batai iwei na try la isu tu ya ka kanika plan ka ba thwai banta kanika plan ka ba best bat ka ba ai ka income ka ba he hai ni te ngangit let's say manta kadang sedang don ki bom so tenat don ki ba so tenat ya ka te ring ong ifi lada ngim so tu nginam so tenat ada ngis so tu ya ka ngismo ba ka ba best pala kanika plan ko minta te ngismo lada ngikwa ban kiu safrang ngikwa ban kamai ngangit baling ye join my recharge baling ye le kiwi kam baling ye wat kam baling ye kristom pe ka daw ngikwa ban ya kamai ngatrai let's say ki parlok jongi ki be don hang ni ka por let's say don try ki parlok ki bom don kami issue tang shu shong yo ba ban bam te ngatrai baro ho ngila ban yo ka bam henry ya ka jing angnut ni kino ka jing kwa jongi ka sham jing e ngi ban yo ran shu shong te kumta na kwa ban ya wer lang ye phi ni ka por bat nga sang ni la deru bang ade we na ki member jong ka ni ka my recharge ayurveda ba lingba ka ni ka my recharge ayurveda nga smo ba na ayo shibun ka jing toy ba ka jing rap ha ka jing jonga let's say nga try pi parlok baro objective ha nga ngam deire banang dostat adu kata let's say ngam deire ubahe spa let's say ngam deire unong sor let's say nglawan ong mo na de na po nong kendong ten re nga sel lingba ka ni ka my recharge nasno ba omdan nong kendong omdan nong sor omdan bastat omdan ba bastat adu kata tang bakin follow bakin sutu ya kena ka plan jong ka mai chat kata kala biang iki ban kamai lingba ka mai charge ti ngaslo lada ngikwa ban ya kamai ngikwa ban pelik jingmut kimbiat ban sutu ya ka plan kumba ini ki leader jongi menta kasi kila batai balada ngimpat sutu menta kasi ngila ban kontak biang iki nakapor sya kapor bangin sutu syai ngatrai let's say hangi don ki blarang ba ki ba don lok don khun ki badang samla henry kini ki badang samla let's say kim pada sutu bha ka e ka jim re let's say ki ba tamban ki sutu bha ka don lok don khun ki sutu bha hakapor badang samla banyo samla hable kumno ha banyo yo tei hable kumno banyo ya ka tei hable kumno karai pin chia mat pin chi shong hayin pin la banyo ya u la ne ka pi hable man penjan ha pi hable man approach ya kan sutu jing long jangka lani jong u hadin kata pinsa yo em yo u lani ya ka de thila wan bil ya ka live jong pi ani ka san ni jong pi de kunju ha ka ne ka mai rechat ru let's say da ki don ki parok ni bom sutu let's say pi penjangai do anaka let's say pi tre subduan hajan let's say pi kwa su bersap de ka plan jangka te hamba pi kwa te pidu dia anda pikwa berkamai ke jing mentoi berpila banyo leng berkamai recharge la only fee one sajan yakin du ki leader jengpi yakin du ya ki senior jengpi kindu ya kita ki ba khamtip ya ka plan kin hikai fi kumno pin kamai let's say ni senong kendong ni sutu bha lada pilek chapen thor lane pilek shawa let's say kamta dalam ki wa he kum pakane ka por slap menta da pilek utu uparlok bomju yai akini ki jaka jongi da wat tip na even yai ben cross kini ka wa ada nga sotu pa ngi sene senong kondong ngi lap bat ngi sotu ba uno ubriu ulam lin ban cross itu ka wa sashi yang wa wat hakapor ba ka he ka wa ro usotu nang no banjam hai don ki mau ban yu hai don ki jaka ban yu ka jat bangin like ban ngam ban ne bangin like ban cara haka wa ban haka unsau de kunju mangama firu ladang ngi sotu bagi kwa ban yai sakamat kamai kumbak temu tu beriu kuak bercross ka wa lada kuak bercross ka wa akapor yun mentali ka he ka wa lada umtip le usarau tende lada utip unioi yano ki bayat haswa lese khamtam ki batip bha ki itu ki traisnong ki ban hang tu nangno de banjam hangno don umau ban yu hangno don kanti ban yai nang ta ki but yu automatic ki yo banjam sa siliang ka wa bat kin light na jing syara ka pum de kunju ngumut man ong ngai fi do hakani ka por ki parlok barok ki bedan lang hakani ka por lada ngimpat sutu le ka plan lada fikwa ban kamai ong pi wat pencengai la de bat ki leader jong pi wat pencengai na ka system penjan ki keli na ki kin batai pi nang no banjam nang no ban yai automatic ta ki penjan ki pin sutu kumno pin yai dan la fi su so start la de fi sunang la de ngabanang ngabat kanta patukunta nganiat kunta ngan yo nang ta ngan yo nang tu nginom la le sibuk ko mangi mentara da piwan senong kendong pinsu ya mentah perlu le bahek kawa ko me pinsu le rumana wa pinsu cross leng bahang tu pimtip na bagai pinsa rong pinyak de kumju akan ka system ro kumju ani hakan no ka system ro ada pidon pihak ban kendu ikilidar jong pi khadang ba jingbatai pi nang no ban jam khadang fin poi sakatong dengan ngit baru ngikwa hi ban poi sakatong kada ngikwa ban poi sakatong ngakwa pi we gi parlok bangin ya kontak bangin ya penjan ya kilidar jongi bangin keli naki kenang ba nginla ban ya sakman bat ke ik baso tuna hang ya kamai richard namar nga ko me share fi ke jilong je im jonga ngal amat namar bang dei ukna nong kondong let's say baduna ka jingo ngakwa ban kamai ngakwa ban kiu nang ayale ban kontak bat kiwi ki jai kam kiwi company regam kwa ban share fi ta ke releng ba kita ki jingmat jonga ngasyam hantu kum tu invest kum tu sil kum tu kwa ban kiu kwa ban yo kwa ban kamai no situ yo ateu sipnai ban long double re ngampoi re itu halas ngalong zero dan re ngasodon bok ring ba kan kamai recharge wat la ka jingstang jonga ka barit Henry ngasotu menta ijik jonga ki babun lingba kamai richard ayo kan sok leki dengan kermani we parlok ru ba pin esim kia ban learn ya system anda pila learn automatic ban kamai ni kalong ka suk bha le kumbla pen pau lingba ki leader ki basakmat ada pikwa ban kamai hi lingba kan kamai richard ayor beda nengkok ka target ba fide ban bu kalong fide ban poi tumkaran server the once fila poi karang silver automatic ek jing mentol jong pi klanan ki sakman dengan harai ban join hakamai recharge kadon kadao don ki bakwa join hakamai recharge namar baki interest ki product jongta ki kwa ki soya dei ki soton kam ki don ki parlok ki bangsa imat bah ki batit mrp na ki distributor jongi te don pat ki parlok ki basunat ang male recharge di na kata kadau la dan ngile richard na bun ki system ki don releng ba kamal chat at least nisuk bha le bat nisuk ru ban kamai ken de kita kadau bun ki perlok ki wan ban join ye de ha kare kamai richard teng ngalap ba tang bangan super ki tang nomor bayo discount ki produk automatic ki ai ka detail jong ki join ba ki thik man kapor amri tang ba ki kwa business and ki kwa ka produk de la da ki kwa tang ki produk ki join thik la yo discount and la ki kwa on kamai at least pihak learning system kan pensistom go through but automatic ki ada pila follow ka system automatic ka jinjob kan wan shafi ba ka jing kamai pinyo bai but ka basuk ban kamai na ka ni kamai chat san po hajar sip nai ka basuk ban kamai kan te kumbala batai kini ki dar jungi na khamal ada fidan tang san tali gejap an review tali taru ada ka week lecture pi kami ka volume jangka silak ada san tali ki jat jang pi la poisan la ketang nang taru pila kamai san po hajar automatic kata tang ka performance jang pi resa ka royalty jang pi sa ka travel jang pi sa ki car bonus ki house bonus jang pi bat kum ta ter syakhamat jang pi ki don ba te la da fikwa ban kamai fikwa ban yo kita ki baro ma ongi fi wat erandin namat ngatrai baro hi ngem ya poi ba ngem ya poi ma masan sedang ni hak ban yak lingba di kelas A kelas B ter hak Q si kelas 10 ter hak Q punta ter hadu bangin dapat jingkylli jengi hadu bangin he karang ke brom jengi te kunju hakane kamai chatu ladangi kwa ban kamai ka he hangi pimla ban ong masan sedang pin kamai he di hak ban go through pihak ban study pihak ban tip ka plan dan anda bila satu ka plan pada dan jing eru kapan kamai lima kan system ngakrai baru akan ka juk jungi ki bidon kali ki banyak kali sudah di parok ada pimnang banyak kali ada pidon kali fiso kumno pihak up ki way pihak up your driver dal like driver balik dan like driver bisa put ayin Henry ada pinang banyak hi kali jong pi dan kami yano ru pila balik akan okapor mi akan okapor wan akan okapor ya ski ya step kasong hanga api de kunju akan ka plan jong kamai bicaku kalau ko bas berkasab tenat bah lada pisu tu ya ka ngange we pila banyak hi kat bamon punya step nya supi kamai kinet kamai bun ru pila ban adjust ya kalau punta dan nungkong let's say don ki perlu ki bom so tu ya ka plan bom sutu ika sistem kila ban ong bom bes ne ka bom bha henry nga ong fi lada kila sutu ya ka kali ani kanu kali ru pin chukli ya ubriu bom patnya tu kali ula ban ong fi ka basni ka tu kali ka bom long ka tu kali henry da fi kwa ban kit ka ne kali ka ba fi kwa ban kit ka di ba bhan wastu kali no tu ba amat banyak ka untik bah ka condition jong kali ka long kumno dia da fi kali no bom patnya te ula ban batai fi bis ba bhai fi ula batai hok ba isi fi ba bisini fi ula batai thok fi ula long ka ba best ne bom best fi Henry tang nau banyak pintik bah kakali kalong kebakum do. Te lada fikwa ban kamai leng ba kamai chatu. Wat kali nak parlok ki bampat mat ki persutu ki jingpoi leng ba kamai chat. Kali nak ni ki leader jangi mentak lo. So fi ki aka bakin batai fi ki persutu fi. Bakin batai fi kum do fin kamai la fin yo nong ba. Te ngasau sarong ban ong ila dia kumju leng ba kani kamai chat nadap ka jingkemen ba wat akapor lockdown ru. At least kabainong kum katulop lese ngala manong ngadang la man kamai lese minimum san phone ro ka jar signai wat kum hane ko ro rem dei bang kan sarong ya ka rei kum ka jingsi sha nga kwa an kan paulang fi bat lada kum hakiwe ki por le bom don kone ka lockdown nga ong fi ni la aban kamai dakilak man ka panai no fi de lada fi so ba filak biang nai ko stret man di charge and da fi so thu ba fi dang duna fi kwa ban kamai ong fi sim ni kene kapu namar hakajuk jungi mental esingila ban ong pun kina working kajuk jungi mental kawai du ko bha ka ar ko bha ka lai ko bha ani ka shong ha fi ban ya perkhat ba fi kwa pli dukan fi kwa le kumno fin supli rumah fin pli ka dukan di lot di semen hakano no ka sana le fin di dukan di ja ne kanu ka dukan hakano no ka sana kalong hi ngatarai ki perlok ki bedon dukan ki sutu ha syab kin pli ka dukan kita bisyar kita perkhat ha kanu ka jai dukan ka jai tiar bangan bu kan ka dukan junga ba kadon ka diman kat kum ka jaka kat kum ka por ba kenang bangan la ban sel bangan yo nong ngatarai barok ki babu dukan don re ki babu dukan ba syukwa tang ban syua ba ki don dukan henry ngi babu dukan ngi kwa ba ngila ban sel ba bangi yo nong de kumju ha kan ka por ngaso ban ya very fi ha bangi le kino ki company ki business ani ki networking company bishar bhang au phi kanu ka jai company ani ka no ka jai network ka paton demand kat kum ka jup kat kum apor ani kat kum ka jisu thu chonga kum bangal amat charum seneng lani ki bangal amat bangal abret bangal losu ani ngasiam pat ha kani ka mari sat kani ka system ani kani ka business ka best bha ka ba manga ma phi nila ban kamai bha bat kade ka system ka ba we don kam ula ban yo discount ha ka recharge ha electricity bill payment bat kiwe ki jingle kam ki pidon kam man kasni kata kade ka we ka pidon kam man kasni plus tenta pila aru bathi kini product ki bangi menta mo ki badon kam kum mai tulsi kum toothpaste kum mongol kum kiwe baro ki tu ba fi ya ka telak jong fi ki badon kam de ki bril pula amat kini product nga ong fi ada kila lot automatic kin wan wat hi de kata ka daw ong fi tang bom pat mat umpas thu ki kodor so kini product ki kodor ng service te hakane kapor ngamdal sibun ban ong fi haringa kermen bat nga ay mesti lang fi we ngesel serong ba mata kasni yo ban ya keren da katin la jong ka ba ki parlok ki basnu thu ya katin khasi kade ka jing motoy ki te ngakwa bha ki parlok ki basu thu ka tin khasi bakin shin ya kane kabu om bak ki kin shin ka chakhamat haringa karpat fi we parlok ki ba ik ki ba thon ki basu tunat bat ki basu thu ya kane ka tin khasi ong fi ngakwa ba ki basu thu ka tin khasi kin kiu bha kin kamai bha lingba kane ka system te hakari jong haka state jong haka jaka jong ngakarmen ba bat ngakar pat fi bangin sim kane khabu bangin long mangi ki ba ya chakmat ki ba mentoy hakamat te la da mangal ma fi nginam sim kane kabu na try ki we kin sim ka jing mentoy naka te ngamdon sibun ba ong fi tang kini kitin Khublei Shibun baro akit bok uang banang ne sakmat nginang yak nginang le pha ngin wat ka jing tip ka jing sotho ka jing shai kumlo bagin kamai bat kumlo bagin kiu sakmat bat bagin sim ne kabu kham tam ni so long baling ba ka ne kamai ri chat simanta ka tin ka si jong lane ka meghalaya jing ka pau ha baro khoi ka di india chu ti tongin so long ya kata ba tongin ya kamai ru ling ba ka ne kamai ri chat te all the best if we parlok akit bok kibang fi sai sim Khublei Shibun baro. Hello, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. And this time the internet has supported very well, sir, because many times we missed the opportunity to listen you, but this time internet supported very well. And thank you very much, sir, for the great training you have provided over here. and all the leaders. I think we should put our hands together for all the leaders, all the 5 great leaders, those who have delivered a fantastic training over here. So finally, my dear friends, I would like to request our respected MD sir to unmute once and give some blessings and the message from his side. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Chetanji. I am so impressed. I know Greamson sir, Albert sir, but we today seen 3 more speakers, especially Anwari Kharluki man. She delivered a great presentation and training. Gabriel sir also, I heard him first time, Gabriel sir, and Jion Singh also. Jion Singh is very young and dynamic person, very young student. He also delivered a great speech. Today, I am only saying that I am totally impressed from this team, and we can go for double business, double income in this month only. From the last month, from the May to June, we have 22 more days beside today. So we can plan double business, double income. For that, we require to ensure 2-3 activities. First, we are required to deliver this new plan to everyone who already joined with us. We have already joined only 0.5% people from the Meghalaya of 27 lakh population in my recharge. So there is a lot of possibility for this plan. And Meghalaya is covered to very near to almost 7 to 8 districts of Assam. And then touching with the West Bengal and especially North Bengal. That is the hub of my research business. So for this team, a lot of opportunity. For that, we require to deliver our plan to our all joint persons. Every day, all leaders, all top leaders also, and all royalty achievers, more than 60 royalty achievers in this team. And I am requesting to all top leaders that ensures minimum silver royalty, gold royalty, sapphire royalty to everyone in coming June, July, and August. So all members can start achieving royalty, and royalty system in this plan is very easy and income is very high. A lot of person know that silver royalty, someone making only 50 to 60,000 business volume, then they are getting 6 to 8,000 income. Second thing, what we require? We require regular meeting through Zoom or through Facebook or through YouTube. Sir Greamson is a master in this. He created a lot of videos. He created a lot of videos about SOPI. So he required to duplicate this thing in others also. And for the franchisee holders, we required that they also start leadership meeting as well as product training. Mr. Greamson sir delivered today a lot about the product. I don't understand Khasi language, but I understand what he is delivering now. What about? So every franchisee and our leaders required to start product training also. And we can fix a weekly meeting or fortnightly meeting with the whole team. Because I am very happy, around 60 people join in starting and maximum people gone 75. But now also 60 people are still with the meeting after the around 80 minutes. So everyone wants to know, and this is a very sincere team from Meghalaya, and I am very impressed of your you all people's dress code, discipline, and every ethics that required in my rechargian, every my rechargian. That this team deserve. So this team also deserves the income and ranks, because we want to set one example that Meghalaya team is the great team, that is a team what we required to follow all over India. So for that, from company side, we can ensure that we can meet every 30 days, or if we required in every 15 days. And Chetanji is available, you all people. So you can plan small meeting also with him. And lockdown also opening all over India. Rajasthan today opened from 7 to 4 p.m. and other northern states also opening. And we are expecting in Northeast also lockdown will be open in 4 to 5 or 7 days. And we have an opportunity that we require to meet our team and explain them this Dream Unlimited, Earn Unlimited plan. And we require to set the example. Yesterday I was showing in your this WhatsApp group. I don't understand Khasi language, but what you people were delivering, that I understand that you were telling people that with the lockdown, with the less business, you all got a great income. So this message we required to, with this message we required to reach each and every people who has already joined. Other thing I want to say, by this second lockdown, around 11% of people who not lose their job in last pandemic and last time lockdown, they also lose their jobs. So a lot of people are ready to join with us with the Ayurveda, with our income, with our unlimited plan. So for them, we required to plan in small meetings, and we required to focus on the new joining with the help of our old tools, good Ayurveda product, good plan, good leaders quality, all these things we required to place in the field, and we expect a good business in coming days. I will not take more time today because already we have 85 minutes meeting already we have conducted. I am requesting Chetanji, if Dhananjay sir is here, then ask him to speak 1-2 minutes, and then I will request to Chetanji to conclude the meeting, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. And I'm sending link to Dhananjay sir. Dhananjay sir, please unmute yourself. Dhananjay sir. Yes, sir. Dhananjay sir, please unmute yourself. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
My recharge morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you, MD sir. Thank you, Shillong team.
चलिए चेतन जी फिर कंक्लूड करिए.
Okay, sir. So finally, I would like to thank all the leaders, all the participants for participating and making this meeting very, very successful. And I am also impressed with the leaders, those who have delivered very good training over here. Thank you very much thank you very much to MD sir for being with us more than 90 minutes. And my dear leaders, I just want to tell at last the only one point. If you have any kind of query regarding plan, you can contact to the leaders, those who have gave training over here, because they are completely clear. So don't be in doubt. You have any kind of doubt, you can contact them, or even you can contact me also. And next meeting, we are expecting more than 200 people. So with this great thought and great intention, we are ending this meeting.